Okay, the question is, Akhil was multiplying two two-digit numbers A, B, C, D. He accidentally changed the digits of the number and the product differed by D. Okay. So basically the numbers are A, B and C, D. So we can write the numbers as 10A plus B and 10C plus D. Okay. 10C plus D. For now, since this is also D, so let us assume it to be X. Okay. I've changed this question's D as X. Okay. Now the product differed, so basically this was the original and the changed one will be, we'll suppose that this number changed. Okay, so this will be 10b plus a into 10c plus d, and this was equal to x. Okay, now the question is, how many of the following values can x assume? Okay, so when we subtract this, we can see that 10c plus d is common. Anyone you can take. I have supposed that this differed, you can take that 10c plus d, he made the mistake. Okay, so now this will be 10a plus b minus 10b minus a. Okay, so this will be 9a and this will be minus 9b. So 9 can be taken out common and we can write this as 10c plus d into, this will be 9 we have taken already out, 9a minus b, and this is equal to x. Okay, so one thing is clear, that the number will be the multiple of 9. Okay, so and we know the multiple of 9 to be, sum should be 9. Okay, so we'll check. First is 1 2 3 4, so 4 3 7 7 2 9 1 10, so this is wrong. Now if you take 2 3 4 5 5 4 9 9 3 12 2 14, this is also wrong. Now if you take 5 4 9 9 3 12 12 6 18, this can be 9 4 13, 5 4 9 9 9 27. Okay, so this also can be. Okay, so these two options can be, but we aren't sure. Okay, so we'll keep on hold and we'll go for further processes as well. So let us equate both of them. So first, if we equate the first option, we'll get 3 4 5 6 by 9. Okay, so this can be written as 9 4 36, sorry 34, 9 3 27 and 9 8 72, 9 4 36. Okay, so basically the product is 384. One thing we have to remember, that this is a two-digit number and this is single digit minus single digit, so this will be a single digit. Okay, so basically a two-digit number into a single digit number should be 384. Okay, so let's check, is it possible in any case. If we take 4, so this will be, if you take this number to be 4, so this can be 4 9 36 and 4 6 24, so possible. Okay, so 3 4 6 can be possible. Okay, so this is a for sure possible. Okay, now let's check. Similarly, let's check for other option as well. So other option is 9495 divided by what it is, 9. So this can be written as, I am writing it here, 919095459545. So basically this is a two-digit number into a one-digit number is equal to 1055. We can see that the multiple of this is 5, so we'll write it. So we'll suppose the single digit to be 5. Okay, so this can be written as 5 to 10 5 to 10 0, sorry 5 to 10 5 1 5 5 1 5. So basically this is a 211, but we need this to be a two-digit number, so this is not possible. Now we'll check for other numbers. 6 is not possible because this is not a multiple of 2. Okay, so for single digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 1 anyways will give a 3 digits, so this is gone. Now since 5 is giving a two-digit number, so ultimately these all will give, so remove these all. 6 won't be a multiple, 8 won't be a multiple, 9 won't be a multiple because 5 5 10, and 7 also will divide, 8 won't be a multiple. So this option is also gone. Ultimately we are left with option number 3, so only one value is possible. Okay, so this is the answer. This is a very good question. I hope it is clear now.